Hey, good afternoon. Beautiful day in eastern North Carolina. I'm going to take a minute to do a walkthrough video on this Carver 360 motor yacht. Stepping aboard. It's easy to get on the swim platform, molded in stairs, synthetic flooring leading up into the cockpit area. Got new enclosure both up on the bridge and enclosing this cockpit. Upholstery is in good shape. Scrolling around. Let's pop up and take a look at the helm, the bridge first. You've got a Garmin display up here. The lower Garmin, this unit is on the boat, but it's in op. The other Garmin has a little area on the screen. Take a look at the photos there, but seem to function as intended. Bow and stern thruster, digital throttle and shift, and you got a couple Volvo displays there. Diesel power on this boat, 415 hours or so. Refrigerator up top here, wet bar. Again, upholstery's in great shape up here. Sorry about the camera coming out of focus for some reason, folks. But you can see upholstery's in great shape. And scan this dash area, helm, balancer and thrusters, remote spotlight. There's your Volvo displays. Again, the larger Garmin display up top is operational. Fusion stereo. Boat has a great audio video. It's all been updated with flat screen TVs and newer sound system. There's your shot up on the bow. Scrolling around. Shot up top. Isinglass all the way around. Looks like it's in great shape. And then here's your new isinglass on the back. Stepping down into the cabin, this boat excels for a 36-foot boat. It's got 2 staterooms. You can see the bow stateroom there. Scroll over, you got a dinette. Coming around, L-shaped sofa. Recliner. There's your flat panel TV, fusion stereo. Access to your Volvo diesel engines are here. Walking forward, you got some storage here. New refrigerator. Two-burner cooktop. Stepping down, the guest stateroom. Large berth here. Separate AC controls up here. Here's your day head. Vacuum flush, sink, wet head. Also access to that through here. There's your stateroom. So hanging locker. Spin around, coming back up. Let's take a look at the aft stateroom. Down a couple stairs here. Got an island berth. Some cubbies for storage. A couple hanging lockers. There's your Vizio flat panel TV. Just going around, vacuum flush head back here. Acrylic shower stall in this one. Upholstery, headliner. Woodwork for the most part is all in great shape. Both staterooms have pocket doors. Got a little bit of fading like over here in that woodwork. Not bad. You wouldn't notice that the curtains kind of do a good job of hiding it, but that's really the only shortcoming, guys, I see in the woodwork on this boat. Again, headliner's in great shape. There's a full blackout curtain that goes around the windshield here. Cosmetically, boat's in great shape. Has a dive on it when it needs to. Services the zincs. They also do a monthly wash. Pop back out, take a look outside one more time for you. So access up to the bow is done through these acrylic doors. And then there's your access point on the starboard side. There's your helm bridge. And then here's your access out on your port side. You got good handrails all the way around. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this or any other, give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Have a great day.